Hello everyone! In this video, we will guide you on how to sell on Gumroad. So let's dive right in. If you're an artist, musician, writer, or any kind of creator with digital products to sell, Gumroad is a great option. It's user-friendly, affordable, and lets you keep a high percentage of your earnings. So, how you can upload and sell your ebooks on Gumroad? First things first, head over to Gumroad's website at gumroad.com and create a free account. The link is provided in the description. It's a quick and painless process, and you'll be ready to upload your ebook in no time. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Products section on your Gumroad dashboard. Click on the New Product button to get started. Here's where you'll provide all the essential information about your ebook. Craft a catchy title that accurately reflects the content and grabs attention. A good title should be clear, concise, and informative, but it can also be creative or intriguing to stand out. Next, choose ebook from the product type options. This helps Gumroad categorize your product and ensures customers looking for ebooks can easily find yours. Then, enter the price of the ebook. After that, click on the Save and Continue button at the top. Finally, fill in the short description field with a few keywords or phrases that describe your ebook's content. This helps with search engine optimization, SEO, so that potential buyers can find your ebook when searching for relevant topics online. To upload a cover photo, navigate to Cover Photo section. If you want to select cover photo from your computer, click on Computer option. Now select your cover photo, then click Open. After that, carefully fill out the entire form with product details, such as URL, cover photo, thumbnail, product variants, and call to action button. Now comes the star of the show, your ebook. Gumroad supports various ebook formats, including PDF and EPUB. Simply click the Upload Files button and select your ebook file from your computer. Your ebook will be uploaded to Gumroad. Now, once you have filled in all the details about your ebook, click on the Publish and Continue button in the top right corner. Your ebook is live on Gumroad, ready for the world to discover. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.